subscribe to GK Geeks YouTube channel and activate bell icon to watch more general knowledge videos. In this video, we are going to learn top 20 Indian polity general knowledge questions for all competitive exams. Question number 1. The Union Cabinet is personally responsible to options A. The Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, B. The President of India, C. The Lok Sabha only, D. The electorate. Answer B. The President of India. Question number 2. Who was the first Foreign Minister of Free India? Options A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Gulzarilal Nanda, C. Lal Bahadur Shastri, D. John Mathai. Answer A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 3. Who is called the father of Indian economic reform? Options A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Manmohan Singh, D. President. Answer C. Manmohan Singh. Question number 4. The member of Lok Sabha members who can table a no confidence motion against the Council of Ministers is options A. 30, B. 40, C. 50, D. 60. Answer C. 50. Question number 5. Survey of India is under the Ministry of options A. Defence, B. Environment and Forests, C. Home Affairs, D. Science and Technology. Answer D. Science and Technology. Question number 6. Under the administration of which one of the following is the Department of Atomic Energy? Options A. Prime Minister's Office, B. Cabinet Secretary, C. Ministry of Power, D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Answer A. Prime Minister's Office. Question number 7. What is period of appointment of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Options A. 6 years, B. Up to 65 years of age, C. 6 years or 65 years of age whichever is earlier, D. Up to 64 years of age. Answer C. 6 years or 65 years of age whichever is earlier. Question number 8. The Attorney General of India is appointed by options A. The President of India, B. The Prime Minister, C. The Chief Justice of India, D. The UPSC. Answer A. The President of India. Question number 9. Who advises the Government of India on legal matters? Options A. Attorney General, B. Chief Justice of Supreme Court, C. Chairman Law Commission, D. President. Answer A. Attorney General. Question number 10. Comptroller and Auditor General of India as appointed by. Options A. President, B. Speaker of the Lok Sabha, C. Chairman of the Planning Commission, D. Finance Minister. Answer A. President. Question number 11. Who among the following can participate in the proceedings of both the Houses of Parliament? Options A. Vice President, B. Solicitor General, C. Chief Justice, D. Attorney General. Answer D. Attorney General. Question number 12. The Attorney General of India is a legal advisor to. Options A. The President of India, B. The Prime Minister, C. Lok Sabha, D. Government of India. Answer D. Government of India. Question number 13. Who is called the guardian of public purse? Options A. President, B. Comptroller and Auditor General, C. Parliament, D. Council of Ministers. Answer B. Comptroller and Auditor General. Question number 14. Comptroller and Auditor General of India is a friend and guide of. Options A. Select Committee, B. Estimate Committee, C. Prime Minister, D. Public Accounts Committee. Answer D. Public Accounts Committee. Question number 15. What can be the maximum interval between two sessions of Parliament? Options A. 3 months, B. 4 months, C. 6 months, D. 9 months. Answer C. 6 months. Question number 16. Which of the following non-member of Parliament has the right to address it? Options A. Attorney General of India, B. Solicitor General of India, C. Chief Justice of India, D. Chief Election Commissioner. Answer A. Attorney General of India. Question number 17. Which functionary can be invited to give his opinion in the Parliament? Options A. Attorney General of India, B. Chief Justice of India, C. Chief Election Commissioner of India, D. Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Answer A. Attorney General of India. Question number 18. Age of a candidate to contest parliamentary election should not be lesser than. Options A. 18 years, B. 21 years, C. 25 years, D. 26 years. Answer C. 25 years. Question number 19. The most important feature of the Indian Parliament is that. Options A. It is the union legislature in India, B. It also comprises of the President, C. It is bicameral in nature, D. The upper house of the parliament is never dissolved. Answer B. It also comprises of the president. Question number 20. Japan's parliament is known as. Options A. Diet, B. Dale, C. Yon, D. Shara. Answer A. Diet.